Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your Venmo account. Follow these steps to enable it quickly. Step 1. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on the menu icon 3 horizontal lines in the upper left corner. Scroll down and select Settings from the list. Step 3. Select Security. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Security. This section contains options related to your account security features. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Look for the option labeled Two-factor authentication. Toggle the switch to turn it on. You may be prompted to verify your identity. Step 5. Follow verification steps. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. This may include entering your phone number and confirming it with a code sent via SMS. By following these steps, you can successfully enable two-factor authentication on your Venmo account, enhancing its security. Remember to keep your verification method secure.